Your iPhone has settings you should never turn off. Let's keep them on. Location services allow while using the app to get accurate maps and safety alerts. Find My iPhone. Keep it enabled so you can locate, lock, or erase a lost device. Automatic updates. Turn on to install security fixes and new features automatically. Wi-Fi assist. Keep enabled to stay connected when Wi-Fi is weak, without interruption. Background app refresh. Enable for essential apps so notifications and data stay current. Two-factor authentication. Never disable. It protects your Apple ID from unauthorized access. Significant locations. Keep this on for personalized services and emergency location accuracy. Share My Location. Enable for family safety and accurate location sharing with trusted contacts. Health and emergency SOS settings allow access so first responders receive critical data. Siri and dictation. Leave on for hands-free use and quick voice commands. Review these in settings periodically. Keep the essentials on. Stay secure and connected.